Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken with Debit Card. For that, you need to launch your web browser in your PC, and in the search bar, you will have to search for kraken.com. Afterwards, you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Kraken account. Now over here on the home page, you are going to see this buy button. So you can click on this buy button, or you can even click on this buy crypto option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, this type of pop-up will open in front of you, where you will have to select Bitcoin first. In order to select it, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that, among the given cryptocurrencies, you need to select Bitcoin. Then you need to enter the amount in euro or in USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase your Bitcoin. You can even use these presets, so you can tap on $50 or $100 in order to select it automatically. Afterwards, you are going to see the option of pay with. So over here you need to select your debit card. Then after selecting your debit card, you need to press the review button in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on this review page, where you are going to see all of the information that you have selected previously, and it will also show you that you are paying with your debit card, which is a MasterCard. So over here you need to check this box of terms and conditions, and then you need to press the confirm button. This way you will be able to easily buy Bitcoin on Kraken with debit card. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.